Hey Lana, are you ready?
Can I help you with something?
Let's cook.
Rock and roll. Let's start. What brine your chicken? Coat both sides with flour. Shake off any excess flour. Fry over medium heat. Love fried chicken? Make the best at home with these 6 tips. 1. Cut up the chicken properly. Satisfy both dark meat and white meat preference but using a whole chicken cut into pieces. 2. Make a marinade. 3. Don't rush it. 4. Season generously. 5. Use the correct cooking oil and temperature. And 6. Ditch the paper towels. Here are white sauce ingredients: onions, garlic, carrots, parsley, evaporated milk, condensed milk, all-purpose cream, butter, cheese. In a saucepan, melt the butter over medium-low heat. Sauté onions and garlic. Next is add carrots.
Hey Lana, any jokes?
What did the teacher do with her students' report on the history of cheese? She graded it. As long as you're laughing, I'm happy. Let's go back cooking. Pour in our white mixture. Is it Michael Scofield in the background? Okay. Never mind. Simmer after a few minutes. Reduce heat to low. Cheese. Whisking until the sauce thickens to a creamy-like consistency. Play fried chicken. Spoon sauce over the chicken. This basic white sauce recipe is so versatile and can be dressed up and dressed down for any occasion. Finish with parsley. You can add some leftover sauce to your pasta. Perfecto. Life is about exploring possibilities. Like and subscribe, guys.